Hello traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to fix invalid stop loss and take profit in MT4 or MT5. Okay, sometimes when placing or modifying a trade in MT4 or MT5, right, you may see an invalid stop loss or take profit levels. You might see invalid stop loss or take profit error, I mean. So this usually occurs when the stop loss or take profit levels do not meet the broker's requirement. I'm just trying to load the particular chart, EOGPY. Okay. All right. So one of the things, I'm just going to use this as an example. We're going to set a stop loss now, and then maybe we try to modify it and it's not going to work. Let's go check our journal. So you can see invalid SL or TP. Now, one of the main causes of this is the stop distance. All right. Many brokers require a minimum distance between the current market price and the stop loss or take profit levels. Okay. So if your stop loss is maybe too close to your entry, if your broker does not permit that, you might get the invalid stop loss. Okay. In the case of take profit, similar thing. Maybe your take profit is too close to your entry, right? That kind of situation, you might get the invalid error. Okay, so you just have to adjust the level slightly further from the current price. Another factor could be the spread conditions. During times of high volatility, spreads may widen. All right. During times of high volatility, spreads may widen. So if spread should increase suddenly, the stop loss or take profit level may fall within the restricted distance. Okay, it may fall within the restricted distance. So waiting for spreads to stabilize can sometimes resolve this issue. Okay, and then you also need to verify your order type. The direction of stop loss and take profit must match the trade type. For example, in a buy trade, the stop loss should be below the entry price, right? In a buy trade, the stop loss have to be below the entry price, and in a sell trade, the stop loss have to be above the entry price. Incorrect placement can trigger the invalid stop error. If you are in a sell trade and current price is okay, if you are in a sell trade and you try to adjust your stop loss below current price, you're going to get the invalid. Okay, or you try to adjust your TP above current price, you're going to get the invalid error, right? That's for a sell. Maybe you are in a buy trade, you try to adjust your SL above current price, you will get the error. Okay, or maybe you try to adjust your TP, below the current price, you have to get the error. Okay, so finally, you should check your broker your restrictions, right? Some brokers apply additional conditions depending on account type, instruments being traded, and market conditions, right? So reviewing the broker's trading specifications can clarify the acceptable stop levels. All right. So a quick recap for you: to fix invalid stop loss or take profit errors, ensure that your stop levels are not too close to price, check your spread conditions, verify your stop placements for buy or sell trades, and review your broker trading specifications. These checks can help resolve most stop loss or stop level errors in MetaTrader. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.